Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this galaxy. Alright, so the question of the day is, what is the diamond planet? Alright, let's look on the colors. Mars black, titanium white, phthalo green, quin blue, phthalo blue, Van Dyke brown, nickel azo, primary yellow, quin red, pearly red. Alright, we're going to start the painting. We're going to do kind of a dark blue background and then work our way back with the stars. For our first layer, we kind of started with this black, working to a darker blue, and finally a little green and yellow in the middle, which is yellow turned to green, right? Then I've added the center of the galaxy has the highest concentration of suns, so that's obviously going to be a little whiter, and a little bit here, but we're going to kind of coat that over several layers so we don't have to put that many stars in the far background. Alright, for this layer we're going to add in some whiteness here and kind of create the gaseous form here. Alright, for this layer we're going to add translucence layers so this will get a lot darker, and then we'll start lighting it up afterward. Alright, for this painting, what we're going to do, this is pretty good up here. It should be a little bluer. I need to darken this to kind of balance out the color. So the Diamond Planet is this planet that's 40 light years away from the Earth. And it has 29 nonillion, I don't know what that is, but it's like 29 zeros. So it's like an ungodly amount of diamonds, which would probably make everything worthless if you brought them here. But yeah, it's a full 40 light years away, but you can't mine it anyway because the surface of the planet is 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit. So it won't make our diamond prices fluctuate. That's my question of the day. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I have this nice dark blues with blacks mixed in there with a lemon lime kind of center with blue. We'll see how it dries. Right now it looks pretty good in person. Probably off this camera it's not looking so good. I'll probably have to adjust the camera. I think it looks pretty good. I think I did a more interesting galaxy before where I did kind of a zigzag, which is very unusual. Type of galaxy is more typical with a kind of a spot of stars in the center. In this case it's not exactly centered, but I got somehow off of my splatter effect, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, hopefully you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.